Participation in the SEMA show is really not too complicated. If you want to participate in the business-to-business aspect of it, we do require that you do work in the automotive industry. So you can go to our website, you can click onto our registration channel and be able to just submit some documents that shows your affiliation to the industry and be able to attend the event that way. However, if you don't have an industry affiliation, you can definitely still attend the event as a consumer through our SEMA Fest event. And SEMA Fest allows a behind-the-scenes look at the SEMA show where you can come to the event on Friday, but it also provides an amazing concert that happens on the show grounds on Friday night. So whether you're in the industry or just industry adjacent and a really hardcore enthusiast, or you've always wanted to come to the event, we've got a ticket type or a registration category that will suit your needs. So we invite you to come to our SEMA show website or our SEMA Fest website, see which one fits you the best, and then come to the show and see us in November.